In the vast expanse of space, there was a mysterious planet called Mars. It shimmered like a dusty red gem in the night sky. Scientists and explorers were captivated by its secrets. They wondered if life once existed there. One day, a brave team of astronauts embarked on a mission to Mars. They traveled through the vastness of space, their eyes filled with wonder. Upon landing, they discovered a barren landscape with towering mountains and vast deserts. But signs of water hinted at a distant past. As they explored, the astronauts collected samples, studying them for clues about Mars, history, and potential for future exploration. Their journey to Mars ignited a spark of curiosity, inspiring humanity to reach for the stars and unravel the mysteries of the universe. The end.